This is the unboxing of my new subwoofer amplifier. Now, a lot of people are like, oh man, you're overpowering this. You're gonna overpower it. You're gonna blow the speaker. I'm like, nah. Even though it's rated 1800 watts RMS by 1 Class D, I'm not using this to try to max out, blow everything. Basically using it that I'll have enough power where I can run it safely, less distortion, clean, constant for what I need in my build. Let's look at some of the features here. All your crossover, EQ, subsonic filter, all that good stuff. 1 ohm, 1800 watts, 2 ohm, 1800, 4 ohm, 900, RMS, 14.4 volts. And all the other good stuff here. Alright, now let's get into the unboxing. Okay. And this, as you can see, can be mounted either way, up or flat, vertical, any kind of way. Alright. First and foremost, certified 1870. Birth sheet. So, Kicker living it loud. Okay, here we go. Got the mounting brackets, owner's manual, your screws. Like I say, this amp can be mounted up like this and bolted down, which is probably what we're gonna go with. Nice hefty. So, of course, you see on this side, you'll be able to go with your 4 gauge right on in there, and it's angled, and then you got your speaker wiring. I would really like if it was different right here, you know, the regular typical connector, but it is what it is. Make it work. Let's get this guy on this side. As we see, your input, output, input level, your gain, crossover frequency, bass boost, remote bass. If you bought the extra one, you could plug it in. Then your power, protect mode indicators, and this just switchable like this. Nice heavy duty construction, as any Kicker built to last. So this is the unboxing of the Kicker CXA1800.1. Is saying 3600 watt max, 1800 watts RMS. But as we see, it says 1870. And hands down, Kicker typically always does rated power. So, like I said, we're good on that. We already know. And, man, time to get it going now. Time to get it going. Yep, long time of waiting. Alright, YouTube. Peace.